We live in a world optimized for efficiency. Every tap, every scroll, every metric is designed to move faster, react quicker, and produce more. But somewhere along the way, we've started outsourcing not just our decisions, but our decency. Today, I want to talk about something radical. What if we could design kindness into our systems, not as a sentiment, but as a signal? What if kindness itself could be an algorithm? What are algorithms really? Algorithms are not mysterious. They are simply a set of rules that tell a system how to behave. But here's the problem. Our algorithms have learned our biases, absorbed our impatience, and mirrored our indifference. They're optimized for clicks, not compassion, for engagement, not empathy. We say AI is neutral, but neutrality without ethics is just indifference at scale. So if we can train an algorithm to predict what we'll buy, why can't we train one to protect what we value? Why can't empathy be encoded? So if we look at kindness as data, kindness isn't abstract. It's observable, measurable, and teachable. Every act of listening, every pause before we respond, every moment we choose empathy over ego, these are signals. In neuroscience, kindness releases oxytocin, the trust molecule. In organizational psychology, it increases productivity and retention. In sports science, it improves team coherence and performance. In short, kindness works, but our system really rewards it. Social media rewards outrage. Workplace KPIs reward outputs. Education rewards recall, not reflection. So what if the next era of design rewarded decency? What if the metric of success wasn't just engagement, but enrichment? The key question is, how do we design for empathy? Designing kindness into an algorithm isn't sentimental, it's structural. It means embedding compassion into architecture of interaction. Just imagine an AI that moderates tone before content, prompting you to pause before you post. A social platform that rewards constructive dialogue, not divisive trends. A healthcare chatbot that recognizes distress in a patient's language and reassurance, not just information. That's not science fiction, it's a design choice. We already code for security. We already code for accuracy. It's time we code for humanity. This brings us to the human parallel. If kindness is an algorithm, then we are the first processors. Every thought we share, every conversation we initiate, every critique we deliver runs through the code of our own intent. The question is, what are we optimizing for? Athletes optimize for performance. Academics optimize for discovery. Technologists optimize for efficiency. But the future will belong to those who optimize for compassion. Because kindness isn't weakness. It's a sophisticated form of intelligence, one that balances emotion with reason. And maybe that's what AI is really teaching us. That's the most advanced intelligence. It's not about being artificial, it's authentic. This is where the 4A's meet again. AI asks us what we can automate. Academia asks us what we can understand. Athletes show us what we can endure. But altruism reminds us why we should. Kindness sits at that very important cornerstone, a unifying algorithm that scales across all 4 of these A's. It turns intelligence into impact and data into dignity. So, in closing, the next decade, algorithms will shape how we live, but we still choose what they value. So maybe the real innovation isn't in creating smarter machines, but in creating kinder systems. Because the most powerful algorithm isn't written in code, it's written in conduct. And the next time you scroll, reply, or build, remember, you are already running one. Kindness is an algorithm. Run it daily. Until next time.